All right, so let's start with the big story that we are tracking on WION at this hour. There appears to be absolutely no relief in sight for the Palestinians who've been battered by this war, as the Israeli military continues to pound the Gaza Strip, even on the occasion of Christmas. The air raids that had picked up on Christmas Eve have continued well into Christmas Day, and at least about 70 Palestinians reportedly have been killed in an airstrike on the Al-Maghazi refugee camp in central Gaza. A spokesperson has said that the death toll of the Palestinians is likely to rise given the large number of families who are living in that refugee camp. Now, the Hamas-run health ministry has said that at least about 166 Palestinians have been killed in just the last 24 hours. The official death toll has now crossed the 20,400 mark. And the Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu on Sunday said that the onslaught will continue till Israel has realized its objective. Now, the Israeli army has also released a video showing the Defense Minister Yoav Gallant and the military chief of staff visiting the Gaza Strip. This even as Egypt has now put forth a new ceasefire plan. The Israeli Defense Forces have also put forth new information on Hamas's underground network of tunnels, as the Israeli military has dismantled the underground tunnel beneath a school and a hospital. And it says that it has recovered 5 bodies of Israeli hostages. The WHO chief has said that health officials visiting hospitals in Gaza have witnessed acute hunger and rising desperation. He also added that the situation in Gaza's Al-Shifa hospital reflects the complete nightmare that is playing out across the Palestinian enclave. The reports say that only about 9 of the 36 hospitals are functional, and that too partially. Meanwhile, Hezbollah fighters and the IDF are engaged in a fierce battle on the Lebanon-Israel border. The Israeli military has said that its fighter planes have struck a series of Hezbollah targets in Lebanon, including the Hezbollah military compounds. Now, Egypt, remember, has now again put forth a proposal for a potential ceasefire into the Gaza Strip. So how are the Israelis responding to this proposal of a ceasefire? Our correspondent Jody Cohen gets us more details.
So according to media reports, there are a couple of proposals circulating. The first one is coming from Egypt, and their proposal is for a ceasefire to end the fighting, to free the 129 hostages that are still remaining in Gaza, and to form a joint Palestinian Authority, Hamas government, to rule Gaza. Now, according to some Israeli officials, this hasn't been rejected outright, although there will be concerns about Hamas staying in power, as Israel says that Hamas poses a threat to Israel and has said that it intends to carry out more 7th of October style massacres against Israelis again and again and again. Now, according to another report, Israel is considering allowing Hamas chiefs in Gaza to leave Gaza, for example, to go to another country like Qatar, and not to target them, in exchange for the release of all the hostages and ultimately the end of the war. Now, this is potentially being seen as a long-term proposal. It's not seen to be relevant now because first, Israel is determined to dismantle Hamas's infrastructure. This is Jody Cohen for WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.